Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. Esmut is building a modern milling training center in Ankara.
Machine learning model demonstrates the impact of public breeding on rice yield under climate change.
Livestock Philippines and Aquaculture Philippines 2024 to help push the subsector's development.
Umar has been delivering dependable process engineering solutions to the oils and fats industry.
Pillars for Nutrition launches in Nigeria and recognizes leading brands for delivering high-quality fortified foods.
Edible oils market, navigating the future market overview.
Record-breaking attendance for Victam and Grapas Asia 2024. A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.